Hello everyone. So today we will quickly go through one problem for now. The problem is of 800 rating. It's problem generator of code forces. So the problem is like this. Vlad is planning to hold M rounds next month. Each round should contain one problem of difficulty A, B, C, D, E, F, G. One problem of difficulty level should contain one problem of difficulty level. Vlad has already a bank of n problems where ith problem has a difficulty of AI. There may not be enough of these problems, so he may need to come up with few more problems. Vlad wants to come up with as few problems as possible, so he asks you to find the minimum number of problems he needs to come up with in order to hold M round. For example, if M is equals to 1 and N is equals to 2, and I have A, B, G, E, C, D. So totally there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 problems of B, G, E, so on and so forth rating. Then he needs to come up with two problems, one of rating level A and another of rating level F. So out of all these A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, we have only problems of rating B, G, E, C, D. So we also need the problem of rating A and F. So what is written here? The input contains a single integer t, which denotes the number of test cases. Then another in line we have two integers n and m. N is for the number of problems and m is for the number of upcoming rounds. Okay. So number of problems would be like our vector array, and number of upcoming rounds is of no significance, I think. The second line of each test case contain a string A of n integers. Okay. For each output of single integer, minimum number of problems. Okay. So basically, I have to find the total number of unique problems which I have currently and see if there's any problem of certain rating missing from the problems which I already have. So should I go on and calculate? Yeah, let's code it. Okay, let's just make a 19808.cpp and then so okay, not good. I'm having certain problem because it's not registering in a bad way. Let me take up my scale. Okay, no, not this thing, delete. Problem set. No, settings, key bindings, yeah. How should I go about it? I can't make it like that. Shift B N. Control B N, yeah. Control B N. Control B and N. Cool. Now if I have space plus B, then control BP. Control B P. Okay, so quickly just let me resume. I got sidetracked a little bit. So number of, then I have, so basically I have two inputs now. So N and M, right? So I will input, then I will input a vector Okay. I will just write the input vector. This is boring. Then from this vector I will create a set. Easily I will just create a set. Vector of characters in it. Yeah, I will create a set. I will just feed on every characters into it. For characters in V, st.insert C. Then I will just output total number of characters. I have 8 minus the size of set. Okay, so if I just compile it quickly, 1980.cpp, and then take up some test cases from here and then run the program with these test cases. I have 332. Okay, 332. So basically how many of these were there? Okay, so I am counting by one extra. Okay, so just replace it, compile it again, execute it, copy and paste it here. 221. So is there any significance of 2 right here? Because suppose I have, wait a minute, Vlad already has a bank of n problems where ith problem has a difficulty rating of AI. There may not be enough problems of these, so he may need to. Okay. So what I essentially need is, so okay, so if I am holding m rounds, so I need frequency of each problem, say rating should be at least m. Likewise, if it is less than m, then I will just add the required amounts. Cool. So m does have significance here. So let me quickly erase this. And now let me make a frequency hash map for each character. Yeah. Quickly traverse over the characters in vector and make a frequency hash map. Just calculate the total number of amounts I have to, total number of characters I have to add for iterators in map. Okay, frequency. If the frequency is less than m, certainly, then I will increment the amount by m minus current frequency. Okay. So later on I will see out the amount on the standard output. Then let me compile it again and let me copy the code from here. So I have to, really, why though? Okay, So I need to initialize the map as well. Initialize the map. So I have characters, vector of, let me initialize it as like this only. Go full on raw dog here is equals to 0. Uh, so here it would be B, here it would be C, here it would be D, here it would be E. Then obviously two more I need. E, oh shit, E, F, G, right. So all are capital. So let me quickly compile it again. So all these inputs go here. What's wrong? What's wrong? Yeah, so let me compile it again. Okay, now it's working perfectly. Let me submit that as well. So just copy it and trying to submit it here. Quickly load up. Load up. Yeah, let's see what's the status here. Oh, got accepted. Yeah, good.